Before you get started, make sure to install the GoReact Recorder app and the Swivel Teams app. Plug the power cable in, and you'll see that the base is charging. The marker will also charge while it is in the cradle. You can run the swivel robot while it is unplugged, but if you're making a lengthy video, I would make sure to keep it plugged in while you're using it. I'm using an Apple device, so I will plug in the white cable into the back of the swivel robot. I'll get my iPad or phone and plug the other part of the cable into that. Turn on the power. Once you've plugged in the device, Teams will ask if you can communicate with the device. Go ahead and allow that. And your login screen should come up. Go ahead and log in with the account that you created earlier. I've logged in and I clicked on the settings button here. You want to make sure that auto upload is on and storage saver is off. Once you finish your recording, Swivel will automatically upload a backup of your recording, just in case, to your Swivel account. It will do this only if you're connected to a network either via cellular or wireless. Make sure that storage saver is turned off because it will want to delete the video from your device after it's done uploading the file to the Swivel cloud. You don't want that because you'll need to upload your recording from your device into the GoReact recorder. I've clicked on the home button here, and it takes you to the screen. If you'd like the swivel robot to give you directions on how to proceed, you can click this button up in the right hand corner, or just follow the instructions in this video. You're ready to start using your marker, which is this. This will allow the swivel to track your motion in the classroom, and it also is a microphone. To turn the marker on, click the top power button. You'll see it flash. And you should get a notice that the marker is connected. Now as I move the marker, the robot will follow it. It's not recording yet. You can either begin your recording by clicking record on the robot, or by pressing the red record button on the marker. I'll go ahead and click record on the marker, and it will bring up the camera. The length of your recording depends on how much storage space you have free on your device. Make sure you have at least 1 gigabyte free for these recordings. After you stop the recording, this screen will appear. Here, you can give your video a title. Instead of something like video 16, you could type in your name instead, and then click done. The video should upload to Swivel. In your Swivel library, you'll see all the recordings that you have made. After you've clicked the three dots next to the Share button, click Save. This will save a copy of the video onto your device.